So today we will have to see one of the famous interview which I was faced in like Synchrony. We are like in product-based companies, Synchrony, for ALP technology, and for so these three companies I have faced this question. So the like this is one of the famous interview question like mostly you will face in one of the in product-based company. The approach is very simple. Like what they have given input like how are you. So what we have to do like output you are how. So basically we need to reverse the words of a string. What I have done, like I have taken the how are you same way. So to understand this approach, the simple thing is like you need to think in real time how we can did we use this approach or not. So thing is what I have done. Consider like you have an Apple box. Like in Apple box we have sections. So in that section like it is Apple box are arranged in like ABC. Apple A is arranged. Apple B, Apple C. So in boxes it is arranged. So your mom says like you have a requirement. Your mom says like when you open the Apple box, she wants the Apple C to be first, then Apple B, then Apple A. So what we will do? This is the opening of the box. So what we will pull Apple A first, then Apple B, then Apple C. So if you arrange in this way, then when she opens that box, she will find that Apple C is first, then Apple B and Apple A. So so you have fulfilled a requirement. So same way here, here approach is like consider this how is one apple, R is one apple, and U is one apple, Apple A, Apple B, Apple C. So what we will do in the string logic, what how we will write the logic like first we will iterate this string like first we will iterate this string, we will extract one character, and in one character we will check if it is not equal to space. If it is not equals to space, we will arrange in a word in one string. Like first I will take H, then OW, the word. If this condition fails, like if it is equal to space, we are storing in a what like reverse, like word is equal to word plus reverse we will store. So we will arrange like finally. So what we will do if it is find the is condition is failed, then word plus reverse we will store. So so it is similarly like first we are arranging ABC. Like it will see like first we will arrange A, then B, then C. So same way we are arranging. First we are arranging A, then B, then C. So I will explain the logic way how we can achieve this one. It is very simple approach. Like I have taken one string and I have added one space, because why I have added space? The thing is we are doing comparison, like we are using condition based on the space. If it is condition matches, then we are doing the some performing some logic. So we will take for loop. Iterate the string. First we need to get the character. So we got the character here. We will check HOW is not equal to space. CH not equals to space. Then what we are doing, we are taking one another string, helper string. So what we are doing here, we are adding the string. So one string we are adding, like first how is there. So H we are taking, it is not equal to space, we are adding O, then W, same way. Then R, U, same way we are doing. Else, so what we have to do in else part, what we are doing here, we are taking another string, reverse. You will get to know like when I do debug, you will get to know. So like first what I have done, H I have taken. So H is not is not equal to space, right? Then it will store H here, then O, then W. Then now what contains? Now the word contain how. Second time, then if we find the space, this condition fails. if this condition fails, so what we will do, if this condition fails, it will go to here. So here reverse is equal to what content how, right? So now reverse value is how. Second time uh, second time it will go to R. Same condition happen, R we will store 1 1 if it is not equal to condition. Now the reverse will be is like what is already how, then reverse is R. So now reverse contain how R. Third time it will do same condition if it is not equal to, so we are adding one by one words characters. Then if condition fails, what? No, the reverse contain how R plus double quotes you. So finally our string करना how are you. So just try to run this one. You can see you are how. You are able to print you are how. So that is the output we want to achieve. So I will just debug the code. I will explain you like how the flow is going on. You will get to know like how the flow is going on. So now initially you can see, now we have the character. You see F6, then you can see our index is 0. So it will not stack anything. 0, it will stack H. Now you can see H is there. Now character contain H, which will check the condition. It is not equal to, yes, it is not equal to space. Then you can see the character H is there, H is stored. Then same condition it will go. Now once again it will come. Now you can see it is O. Now finally W. Now you can see what contain, one contain how. Now the condition will fail. You go, condition will fail. Definitely it will fail. Now it come to reverse. Reverse contain nothing now. See what? Now how? If you go to another condition, same, it will take A. Now it is contain A. Condition matches. It will store in the word. Same it will store R also. Now you can see the word contain ARE. Now the condition will matches because if you see here, it will go to this space, this space. So this space, obviously condition doesn't match. Character I, the character C, E is there. Sorry. You can see how are you? How are you? And same way, F6. Same will it will stack U. Notice Y or nothing is there. So it is not equal to space. Yeah, it is condition doesn't match. And it will go here. If you see word contain U and reverse RE. So if you hope you guys got the idea like how to write the logic and how we can debug the code. So in this way you will be able to get to know how the flow is going on. So just share to your colleagues. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.